What's behind the allure of minimalist home decor? Home FAQS is your go-to YouTube channel for practical solutions to common home-related issues. Our AI avatars provide expert advice and step-by-step instructions to help you tackle a wide range of home improvement projects, maintenance tasks, and troubleshooting challenges. From interior design tips to DIY repairs, we've provided innovative solutions to make your home more comfortable, efficient, and inspiring. Welcome to your AI guide to home solutions. The mystery of minimalism unveiled. Minimalist home decor has captured the imagination of homeowners worldwide, but what exactly draws us to this aesthetic? It's more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that resonates deeply with many. Let's delve into the psychology behind the allure of minimalist design. Simplicity in chaos. In a world of constant noise and distractions, minimalist decor offers a respite, a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos. By stripping away excess clutter and distractions, minimalist spaces allow us to focus on what truly matters, fostering a sense of tranquility and clarity in our lives. Form follows function. Minimalist design principles emphasize functionality above all else. Every piece of furniture and decor serves a purpose, with clean lines and simple shapes maximizing efficiency and utility. This marriage of form and function not only enhances the visual appeal of a space but also improves its practicality, making daily life easier and more streamlined. Less is more. The famous mantra of minimalism, less is more, encapsulates its essence perfectly. By paring down our possessions to only the essentials, we free ourselves from the burden of excess consumerism and materialism. Minimalist living encourages us to prioritize experiences over possessions, finding joy in the simplicity of life's moments rather than the accumulation of stuff. Mindful consumption. Minimalism challenges the rampant consumer culture that pervades modern society. Instead of mindlessly acquiring more and more things, minimalist principles advocate for mindful consumption, investing in high-quality items that bring genuine value and meaning to our lives. This shift towards intentional living not only benefits our own well-being, but also has positive implications for the environment and society as a whole. Aesthetic elegance. Beyond its practical benefits, minimalist decor exudes an undeniable sense of aesthetic elegance. Clean, uncluttered spaces create a visual harmony that is both soothing and sophisticated. From sleek furniture to monochromatic color palettes, every element in a minimalist home is carefully curated to achieve a timeless sense of style. Transform your space today. Subscribe for free consultations, and stay ahead with the latest trends in home improvement. Your dream home journey begins here. Hit like, subscribe, and transform your space. Discover AI-driven content and expert advice from our AI-generated avatar.